should be going again, cause I'm scoring again. But Lindsay can't hold up my pants, bought a belt, but it's too many bands. And I'm pouring again, my cup feeling empty as fuck. At this point, I might do.
What's up, YouTube? Now today we back with another video. I know I'm a tad bit late when it comes to the days. I know it's a little bit short, but we back with another video for y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. I see we just hit 150, so thank y'all for that. And let's go ahead and get to 200. And let's go ahead and finish out when we hit that 165. Now we starting out with that ball guideline and balling out underneath. And we're gonna work our way up with that lever open. And you know how we go ahead and work it up with the 1 guard and then work it up with the 1.5 and gonna fade our way back down, y'all. Now, it's the same steps for the back. Now, if you just want to review and go back over, just go back in the video and figure out, what steps and like what areas you need to detail in. And I'll be back to y'all once we get to the lineup. And while you're at it, don't forget to follow your boy on IG. Look up in the top left corner. Those are my socials. You can follow me up there. Make sure you can give your boy a follow on there. I'm trying to hit 1,000 on IG, so go ahead and get your boy to 1,000 for me. And now we're on the Nape lineup. Now, for this particular Nape lineup, I worked his roundabout first, and then I did his straightaway. It was easier for me to work it this way, since my hand is more familiar on this side than it is onto his left side. And also, while doing the Nape lineup, find a system where it's something that's comfortable for you, so therefore you can create that best, the best Nape lineup possible. so now unfortunately I forgot to record the alcohol for y'all, but now we're showing the got to be holding spray. I sprayed that on them, but before you do that, just apply alcohol to clean the hair and skin, and then apply the got to be holding spray so you can lock those hairs in place. Now when lining up, you want to make sure you start in the middle. Now as you see, my boy has a recession point in his corner, but we're going to make sure he stays even fresh with that recession point. So we're going to keep it even low and natural to pretty much keep it straight across. And just make sure, when you complete a full side, take a step back and make sure you're straight, all the way across. And then, go ahead and complete the other side in vertical bars and such. Now on this cut, we only used fibers. Yeah, I probably like fibers. Yes, fibers. I only used fibers on this cut because unfortunately I had ran out of my spray, so I only had my fibers. But y'all gonna see in the end, we still hooked my boy up with just the fibers, and I ain't gonna lie, we put him in the game with it. Y'all see in the end. Man, rate the haircut 1 through 10 down below. Like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. I'm trying to get to 200, so go ahead and give me the 200 face, fam. Please give me the 200. And now we're just simply applying more holding spray so we can lock those fibers in as well. And we'll just simply brush the skin and let it air dry a little bit. And we'll be pretty much, lining him up once again. I gotta admit the angle's hidden on the lineup though. Yeah, I gotta admit that. You gotta give me credit on that one. I'm giving y'all the nice angles. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Wow. You gotta admit, it's a nice angle. You gotta give me credit on that one. Like, comment, and subscribe, fam. Go and get your boy to 200. And now here, ladies and gentlemen, we're going in with our razor. This is like pretty much putting the cherry on the top for the haircut. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my boy before he got in and got sliced and diced. This is, I ain't gonna lie, he looking a bit rough right now. And this is my boy after the chop. If you like this haircut, like, comment, and subscribe down below. And this is your boy Triiipleooo, and we checking out Fave Fam. Triiipleooo out. Peace.
Should be going again, cause I'm scoring again. Balenci can't hold up my pants, bought a belt, but it's too many bands. And I'm pouring again, my cup feeling empty as fuck. At this point I might do